Hey everyone, it's Brendan the Paleo Dude, and I'm here with another Jurassic World video. So today we're actually going to be simulating what the heck is happening on the back of the Scorpios Rex box. And basically, this poor little Herrerasaurus is taking the beating of its life from the Scorpios. You can take a look here. It is being slashed at and tail whipped. This is just sad to look at. Like, poor guy. So we're going to be testing that out and seeing basically the back of the box in action. So we got Scorpios Rex here. It says roar and chomp, so that's the feature in the top corner. Oh, the jaw just got stuck. There we go. So there's its roaring and chomping. Now it's slashing action. So it's kind of like a back scratcher, see? So it kind of looks like it's looking down at him, or her, like that, and I guess you go down while scratching. Kind of looks like it's tickling it, you know, like in a cartoon or whatever. Yeah, the action would have been better if it was up and down slashing, but it gets slashed apart by these massive claws and knocked over. So I don't know why in this scene it's like coming up behind it, but let's test that out. So it's kind of looking up with its like mouth open, and I'm gonna have to hold the legs down, bend it a bit because this guy's not too tall. Pull the tail, and bam. Okay, not that powerful. I'm gonna try it again with a little bit more force, and we'll do it sideways. Kind of does the trick. There we go. So yeah, this poor little guy getting beat up on the back of the box. I mean, maybe they're teaming up on the Scorpios. Like, here, let's see if I can grab one from back here. Maybe we've got like a pack of them trying to take it down. It like wandered into their nesting territory or something. So then maybe I can see why this guy would be like behind it by the tail, and this one up front. And then so it's like taking two on. Like that. Perfect. So yeah, very interesting that they chose the Herrerasaurus as the figure on the back to get completely demolished by the Scorpios. I think that's all. I don't think there's anything on the front of the package. It's pretty windy here, so I had some figures. Oh yeah, never mind. They literally have it getting wrecked on the front of the package as well. That's so sad. Imagine how cute it would be if the set actually came with like a Herrerasaurus, like a bonus one. Let's do fit in the light here. So like, say you got the figure here. I know back in the early days they had that the battle damage Rex with the monolophosaurus. Like, there's a lot of tail space here, a lot of box space. I mean, imagine having just that bonus little Herrerasaurus that comes with the figure, so people could, or kids could, I guess, use it as that, you know, dummy getting bashed around instead of being sold separately. The Herrerasaurus goes for like 12 bucks up here, and this Scorpios goes for 40, I think. So it'd probably cap the set if they're both sold together around 50 bucks. But I think it should be even lower, maybe say 45. Just get this little guy in there for an extra, you know, 5 bucks. But maybe they'd have a little bit less paint app on it, who knows. It might be a little cheaper, but that's cool. That's neat that they have it on the box, and it's a cool thought to think, what if this figure came with the set? It's also funny to note that the Scorpios Rex is Camp Cretaceous in packaging, but the Herrerasaurus box doesn't have Camp Cretaceous on it, I don't think. It's just the normal Jurassic World packaging. So instead of using like the Dimorphodon, which did have the Camp Cretaceous packaging, they used the Herrerasaurus. So that's pretty interesting. Uh-oh, looks like Bumpy's also taking a beating there. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this little video. It was definitely fun to make, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.